Kyle Bryant from Starline Motorsports with a brand new helmet graphic in the new RPHA 11 Pro. This is the Venom 2 graphic, and we're stoked to have this graphic back in our lineup. The original Venom was a super popular helmet that was produced in lots of 60. There was tons of demand. When the helmet got discontinued and was no longer made, there were hundreds and hundreds of these helmets on back order. So now we've got the Venom 2. Come in close and take a look as we show you this graphic close up and in detail. Now make sure you click the link below in the description of this video where you can see the detailed breakdown where we literally take this helmet completely apart, show you the guts, show you what's inside, tell you what it's made out of, and all of those specs and features. Today we're just going to cover a couple of the high bullet points as we turn this helmet around, showing you what this Venom 2 graphic looks like. This helmet is going to come with a clear shield out of the box, and it's also going to come with a dark smoke shield. So you have two different options. Both of these shields are going to be pin lock ready. For the proprietary pin lock that goes into this, it's going to keep it anti-fog. You have a frontal ventilation system here that functions really easily. You've got a chin vent that opens and closes nice and smoothly. And then these two vents here on the top that allow air to come in and be drawn out the back. I really like the dial effect that they have up here on the top. And there you have it, the Venom 2 RPHA 11 Pro from HJC. I'm Kyle Bryant from Starline Motorsports. If you like this video today, give us a thumbs up. If you want to have more action like this directly in your inbox, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can be part of the notification squad. Until next time, and like always, take care and ride safe.